Question 37. In the figure above, which I've moved over here to the left, the shadow cast by a tower is 50 feet long, and the sun's rays form a 34-degree angle of depression with the top of the tower. How tall is the tower? Okay, so we can see that the tower and its shadow and this line here forms a right triangle. So let's redraw that. So we get this triangle. It's a right triangle. This length is 50. This is the height of the tower X that we're trying to find, and we know that this angle is 34 degrees. So I'm going to go ahead and use the law of sines to figure this problem out. So first I want to figure out the measure of this angle. I'm going to call it theta. So we know that the sum of all three of these angles should be 180 degrees. So that's equal to 90 degrees plus 34 degrees plus theta. And solving for theta, we get theta is equal to 56 degrees. Now using law of sines, we can say that 50, right, the length of this side divided by sine of 34, right, the opposite angle, 34 degrees, is equal to x, the length of this side, divided by the sine of its opposite angle, which would be sine of theta, so sine of 56. Now, we're trying to solve for x, so just multiply both sides by sine of 56. We get x is equal to 50 times sine of 56 degrees divided by sine of 34 degrees. And when we crunch the numbers here, we get 74.1. So looking up at our options, B is approximately our right answer. And notice that this figure is a little bit deceptive because it's not drawn to scale. So 34 is actually a much smaller angle than 56. So you would expect that the tower to be much larger or taller than its shadow is long. So once again, B is our final answer.